So we worked a little bit on like the last part of your round plus the endings. There were some good moments left and right. I saw Eric kill it. You know, I saw Monkey Z kill it. Everybody probably had one or two or maybe hopefully a few more moments where they really killed it. However, there are still a lot of issues. There's a lot of small problems still occurring. So that's why we're going to do this exercise one more time. And we have to strive for perfection. Because one bad round could mean the end of the competition for you. Compared to football where they have a full 90 minutes to fix any problem there would be. You know, in football you could be behind 90% of the match and then the last 10 minutes you could fix it. It's not the case for us. It's one round and you have to fix it. If that round is bad, then you might fly home. So everything got to be perfect. I saw a lot of issues with shapes. And for example, freezes. Two examples. I saw one with the Zian. She did like a go down and she went to one hand. And the legs, they were like, this was the shape of the legs when she was on one hand. You know? Bah! Give us a clear shape. Whatever your ending is, give us clarity in your movement. Same for Monkey Z. Monkey Z, he rolled back and he did like a headstand elbow kind of freeze. I don't remember how he went in. But this free arm, he was here, his free arm was like this. His arm was a little random. You know, choose have a clear vision on what the shape is of your freeze. And it goes further than that, in your footwork, whatever. Just like create more clarity in your perfection in your form. A lot of timing issues. Freezes or endings that are executed on a 3, on a 7. You know, if you know your stuff, you can freestyle and calculate and make sure your ending is always on a 1. I'm talking about always. All right, 6, 7, 8, 1, hit it. And you see when, for example, Eric did his elbow freeze on an 8, dropped down to shoulder on the 1. The whole team went nuts. You see and feel a difference when your ending is executed on the right moment. Level goes up. You finish your freeze on a random 7, and then get up and do this one on a 1. 1. Nobody's gonna scream, woo! Nobody's gonna go, woo! But hit your freeze on the 1, get up on the 5, wait, and leave on the 1. And now you're connected, you're well connected to your brakes. Because the 1 is a strong element in our brakes, right? Fix your timing. I said some unconfident talking. I walk around, and I'm sure Nabil had the same thing. We walk around, and people are doing their set, right? Oh shit, the coach is watching me. Oh no, hell yeah. What the f are you talking about? You know what I mean? This shows so much, take away so much confidence. Like, it doesn't matter who's watching. You gotta be focused. You gotta be focused on the opponent. Don't get distracted. It shows such a strong weakness. It's like you're not used to people watching you.
好像不习惯于接受别人的注视一样。
But you want to go to the biggest competitions, have all the judges, all the crowd watch you, but you're uncomfortable when one person walks by. Everyone is in search of the secret to prepare for battles. Well, the time has finally arrived. Because in my latest masterclass, I've collected every single detail on how to gear up and prepare for battles and competitions. Learn how to organize your arsenal, compose your rounds with a variety of options and strategies, all extracted from my 25 years of competitive breaking experience and unmatched coaching background, including founding the Battle Droids, one of the world's largest breaking schools, and coaching the Chinese national breaking team for the Paris 2024 Olympics, all with tremendous results and accomplishments at the world's leading events. Every bit of my expertise is found in this masterclass. Check out the new Prep for Battle Masterclass on my website, coachsambo.com. Peace. Confident ending, right? Execute your freeze, whatever your freeze is. Bah! Bah! Huh. What we just talked about.
刚刚他们也说过，
Show us that you want to win.
向他们展示您的渴望，
You know, it's a simple air baby.
就像一个简单的鹤立，
Hit it on the right music, boom, on the one, boom, get up.
做完出来，
Ah. Show us the strong confidence.
展示你的自信。
Stumbling,
Stumbling，
small stumbles. Hit the freeze.
这样，倒了几步，
So I see small little things like this when I walk around. Small imperfections.
有一点点不完
When you go into the freeze, just like small,
美的感觉，
small uncomfortable moments. We can't have that.
我们不能有这样的情况。
Some people feel heavy.
动作重，
You hit your freeze, hit your ending, right?
可以的。
Me as a judge, I see this.
裁判看到这个，
3, 2, 1, boom, easy choice. What do you say? Make sure you do whatever you have to do. Just don't make it look heavy. Don't show us you feel heavy. Don't show us you feel tired. No weakness. Do not show weakness.
展示任何短板，你不要让别人觉得你很累。
You do your freeze. You get up. You go back.
回来，
Okay, here is okay. But maybe not even, actually after the battle, maybe. During the battle, no.
结束的。
Chest up, look up,
这
look.
个时候胸抬起来，
Look for mistakes. Look for weaknesses. When your opponent is dancing, look for the weaknesses. Because every weakness you will identify will reinforce your confidence.
你看到对手有一个小失误，你会自己变得更自信。
Ah, ending, not on the music.
安静不在音乐
Ah,
上，
stumble.
这里又晃了一下。
Ah, my opponent feel heavy. Ah, nice. I feel light. Woo. Ha. Ah, it boosts you. It's gonna boost your confidence. And also many problem with directions.
方向问题很多，
You know, I'm battling Bo Z and my elbow freeze is like this.
很多走地是这样的，完全对这个对手。
Like in battle, I know if I did this in battle, I get up, I'm like, in my mind, I know.
我脑子里一挥手，操！
So what I do is I start thinking, okay, how did I go in?
我怎么进去？
Ah, okay, so now I gotta go in facing this direction. I learn,
方向问题解决，
every time I learn a little bit more,
多学习一点点，进步一点点。
and apply. But that's the work, your work. You have to do this work.
你自己的训练，你要去有意识的改变。
So all these things,
所有这些点，
small imperfections,
有一些不完美的地方，
it's very inconsistent. It makes you inconsistent.
让你的表现不稳定。
So if we go back to the idea that one bad round could be the end of your competition,
要有这个想法，一轮不行，比赛结束。
there's a lot of things that could make you finish the competition at this point.
可能就会有很多问题导致你
Because
变得不太好。
actually every single round you do here,
现在
every round has to be flawless and we should not see any issues with this.
没有任何这些问题。
Nothing. So when we training this right now,
我们现在在练的时候，
be aware, be smart,
要有方法，有意识，
fix the problems all one by one.
一个个解决。
Don't hope
不要去希望
that it's going to be okay. Your ego
你的自我
is telling you be lazy. And if you execute your combos right now, if you execute them perfectly, one after the other in practice, you're gonna be hungry because you know you don't make any mistake.
知道你不
Fix these are small problems.
把这些小问题解决了，
One of them is already enough to make you lose.
1个小时我就能够让你输。
Just one.